Let's walk to the big shopping center på gränsen. It means at the border. It's quite new shopping center from, I think they built it like 5 years ago. So it's the biggest like a shopping center here. They call it also Rajalla in Finnish. And på gränsen it means the borderline. Let's check out the first parking slot. Here is like a Sweden. We're having dollar store. We're having Jysk. We're having Snus. And then there's also a big Ikea Maxi for grocery shop. Here is even second-hand shop here. We're having Candy World here. We're having zoo, and there is a Ikea for kids. And there is stadium, sport outlet. This whole area is like an outlet area, so they're selling with a lot of discount. Ittala outlet, there is like a kitchen and that kind of stuff. And there is Hemtex. And here is, of course, Ikea. You can see the parking places here are full, so crowded here. I think people coming here from Finland, from Russia, from Balticum also like that, so it's very popular here. There is also Coop for grocery stores, Max for hamburgers, and there is also outlet, Haglöfs, and then you have pharmacy and some restaurants. Let's walk to the borderline here. We are still in Swedish side here. Here is some like a history about the city here. Here is a borderline between Sweden and Finland. The custom here. It's not so big. It's just like this road is like they have cameras there and that checking everything. And there before there was like a, when it was COVID, they have a COVID checking control there in the other side of the road. So this is the borderline, exactly the point between Sweden and Finland. Let's check it out inside the shopping mall here. It's quite nice area. This, they clean up everything and it's like a very fresh here. So there is cafeteria. There is some like a food sandwich here. It's more like a this having like a 2 floors actually. Here is City Market. It's a Finnish grocery store. And here is Alko. It's like the liquid and alcohol and like that. Yeah. Let's check out the second floor. It's actually the top floor here. Here is, it's like 39 different stores here, so it's like a medium size, like a shopping center here. So it's here in the second floor is more like a clothing and like that, and quite popular, like a, here is Callings. They have like a jeans and shirts and H&M is quite, they are all over here. There's also a lifestyle store. And there is Lindex, there is Kubus, and there is Dressman also. And here you can see the view from the second floor. And there is the ceiling. It's like an open type of ceiling. They open summertime sometimes. Like Jones, Viro Moda, and Dressman here. And that was all, I think.